What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be going over 3 monthly paying dividend stocks that you need to have in your portfolio. I'll also be giving you an update of where my portfolio ended off on Friday's trading session. But before we do that, my name is Stan Lopez, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And now let's get into the video. Let's get this in focus. Okay, so the 3 monthly paying dividend stocks that I was talking about, or why you guys are here for this video, is Realty Income, LTC Properties, and Stag. So right now, if we take a look at my portfolio, look at it right here. I currently have 7 different REITs in my portfolio. Realty is one of the most popular REITs that a lot of long-term investors actually have in their portfolio. A lot of YouTubers talk about it on their channels. And I luckily got in when it was way below what the current price of it is, and currently it's trading at $62.21. Now, if we look at the dividend summary, they paid 4.49% with an annual payout of $2.80. So every single month, this monthly paying dividend stock pays 23 cents, right? They just had their ex-dividend date on the 29th. They're going to be paying out on the 15th of this month. Now, I've had this stock since January. I've gotten paid so far from REIT $6.11. Now, if you guys don't know, if you guys haven't gone to their website, they've paid consecutively 598 months in a row. And that's huge, for stocks to consecutively paid that many months in a row. That's really good for their reputation. Now, with Realty, they actually have a pretty big portfolio. They actually have over 6,500 commercial properties under their belt. They actually have, so if you didn't know this, their top 20 tenants consist of, let me just drag this one window over. But if you guys see here, I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with a lot of these companies, and the reason being that they didn't really take a really big hit, I would say, during this recent downturn on the market, is because they're actually an essential business in a sense of all the businesses that they have from all the properties that they collect from are essential businesses, right? So Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Dollar General, FedEx, Dollar Tree, LA Fitness, the gyms, the movie theater, Walmart, Lifetime Fitness, Sainsbury. I've never heard of that because we don't have that in Las Vegas. Circle K, BJ's, CVS Pharmacy, Treasury Wine Estates, Super America, Kroger, GPM Investments, TBC, Home Depot. So out of these, look at how many leases that they actually have, and 53.1% of the revenue are from these different companies that occupy in their properties. So that's one of the REITs that I currently have that I think that you guys should definitely consider adding to your portfolio if you guys haven't. They're a little bit overvalued at the moment, so I'm definitely going to be adding again once they have a pullback. The last time I invested in Realty Income, I believe they were around $49 or a little bit lower than that. Now, the second stock that I want to talk about is LTC Properties. All right, LTC Properties, they currently have a dividend yield of 5.37% with an annual payout of $2.28. So every month they pay out 19 cents a share. They have an upcoming ex-dividend on June 19th, and they're going to be paying out at the end of this month. So I'm actually going to be considering adding onto my position. I currently have, let's see how many shares of LTC. So I currently have 5.16 shares of LTC with an average price of $33.48. They are currently trading at $42.42 since Friday's trading session. They're the second cheapest out of the three that I'm mentioning today that I'll be adding onto my portfolio. And LTC Properties, if you guys didn't know, they actually invest in senior housing and healthcare properties. So if you guys know, everyone, eventually gets older. So, senior housing is a big deal when it comes to investing in properties because that's never going to go away. Healthcare properties as well. Now, LTC I've held since the beginning of January as well. I don't have a lot invested in it at the moment. I currently only own 5.16 shares and $172.98. So I'll be definitely adding on to this position as well because they do pay on a monthly basis. And that's one of the great things about monthly paying stocks is that you'll have that cash right away versus waiting every quarter or every 3 months to actually get that dividend payout. Now, let's talk about the third investment or the third REIT that I actually am going to be adding onto my portfolio, and that is STAG. So STAG Industrials basically is a commercial real estate REIT. They currently pay out 5.09% with an annual payout of $1.44. They do have a high payout ratio, and they have an upcoming ex-dividend on the 29th, and they'll pay out on July 15th. They currently pay out 12 cents a month per share, and they actually is the cheapest out of the three that I've mentioned today at $28.29 on Friday's close. So if you guys didn't know, like I said, STAG does invest in commercial properties, commercial real estate properties. And if you guys go on their website, we can go right here. They have 69 buildings. They're currently invested at 1.2 billion, and their square feet acquired is 16 million feet, which is crazy huge. If you guys look at the cumulative acquisition volume over the years, year over year, this is 129 million, and now they currently have 4.713. I want to say that's a lot of money. But anyways, this is another stock I'll be considering adding to my portfolio for all my REITs. I am heavily invested in real estate the real estate investments, just because one, this is the best way to invest into real estate without actually owning the real estate properties itself. So they actually give you a dividend payout every month from their profits, and they give it to all their shareholders. So I hope you guys would consider, putting these into your guys' portfolio as something that you guys want for a monthly paying dividend. Now, let's take a look at what happened this past weekend or this past week to my portfolio. We are currently sitting at $9,943.65, which we ended off on Friday's trading session. We are up $1,955.75 with a money weighted average return of 49.14%. We're up $72.17 for earned dividends for all time. And on Friday, the market actually went up by a lot, which is crazy. My portfolio actually, when I was watching it during the day, it actually broke over $10,000. So for that Friday, a total gain of $525.46 with 5.58% in return. For the week, we are up $1,314.92, 15.51% money weighted average return. We've also earned $12.44. Now, we did get paid from some stocks that I currently own, Pfizer being one of them, at 46 cents. We also got paid by two different bonds, IEF and LQD. IEF, I got paid 16 cents, and also LQD paid me out 39 cents. So if we take a look at my Google sheet, my entire portfolio, the true gain unrealized though is up 18.82%, $1,871.18 as well. So if we take a look at this graph, so far in the month of June, I've gotten paid $3.17. So that's I think that's it for my portfolio update for you guys. And if you guys do like this video, and if you guys like the content that you guys see, please consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.